Hi, this is Molly from Beast Marketers. Chris asked me to shoot just a quick little video just to show you a couple of tips and tricks that you can do that you can integrate with your website and your Google business profile to help lead to more leads and better ranking on Google. So looking at your site, I think it's a great site. I think that this photo, of course, sports injuries are really prevalent with all these three-season athletes that you've got with kids and things like that. So I think that's awesome. One thing that I did see though is some of your links are not clickable, like this phone number right here. While the ones up top are, you want to make sure everywhere your clients see a phone number or prospective clients see a phone number that they can click on. I noticed one down here on the bottom. These aren't clickable as well. And whatever makes it easiest for them to get in touch with you is best. What I would suggest though, believe it or not, content. Google does like to see anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your front page at least. And there's a reason for that. They want that much content because when you have that many words on your page, then you can strategically place keywords. And what a keyword is, that's what somebody's going to search into Google looking for your site and for your services. And so this is your way to tell Google, hey, these are the sites that we want to show up for. So I'll show you what I mean. So taking a look at how your site is performing, this is the strength and trust that you have with Google. So right now you're getting 31 hits to your site a month. And these are the reasons why. You have 235 backlinks coming from 64 domains. Now, what this means, a backlink is anytime another website has your page listed and it's pointing direction back to you. However, and those come from referring domains, but referring domains are not all created equal. Some are spammy, some are more authoritative. So you want to go after the ones that have more authority. Out of these 64 domains that you have, only 24 of them are actually helping you, or they're what we call do follow. The rest, the other 40 aren't doing you any good. So this number is very deceiving. Here's these keywords we were talking about. We're going to click in here and let's see what keywords you do come up for, which I'm talking about what searches will your website show up for. So when we talk about keywords, there's two different kinds. There's national or branded ones or informational ones. What we're interested in is local buyer intent, meaning what are the people in your area searching to find you? They don't just want information, they've got money to spend and they're looking for your service. So Elite Integrated Medical, that obviously is a branded term. Beverly Hills Integrative Medicine, so that's a local buyer intent. So out of 150 of those, you get 10 of those clicks. I'm sorry, that's searched 150 times a month. But let's find we want high volume. So right here, chiropractor in Beverly Hills. That is searched 600 times a month. You're not getting any of those clicks because you're ranked 26 on Google. Chiropractor Beverly Hills. It looks like it's the same thing, but it's not. That in makes a difference. That is searched 500 times a month. You're not getting any of those because you're ranked 29th. And we go on and on. So let's take a look. Same thing. So Integrative Medicine Los Angeles, searched 100 times a month. You only get none of those because you're ranked 26. So I decided let's find the highest volume. So chiropractor Beverly Hills. So I went ahead and searched that. And let's see what comes up. So the first thing right here, this is your Google Maps area. This is where your Google business profile really comes into play. You want to rank in the top 3 in here for all the searches. And the reason why is because 30 to 40% of the people who search, they're going to stop right here and they're going to click on one of these. So you'll get a high amount of traffic when you can rank in the top 3. The ways you do that, when you fill out your Google business profile, make sure it's completely filled out, especially the bottom about part. You want that fully optimized with keywords. You want to make sure that you're posting geotagged, optimized, branded photos weekly to your business account. You also want to make sure that you're responding to every single Google review that you receive. Most business owners don't know they're supposed to be doing that. But most importantly is citations. So a citation is when your business name, address, phone number are listed in various directories on the web, such as Yelp, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages. There really are thousands of directories out there. So you want to go out and give your information to as many of them as possible so that you can rank in here. Down here in the organic section, the top competitor that pops up is the Chiro guy. And so here's his site. But what we want to see is how is he performing? So they have got 367 backlinks coming from 99 referring domains. So you want to come in, find your top competitors, find what referring domains they're getting their backlinks from, and not only match them, but outrank them by at least 100 referring domains to secure your spot. They are getting 2.5 thousand hits to their site a month. And that's because of these 668 keywords that they're ranking for. So again, find your competitors and say, hey, what keywords are they ranking for? So you know what content you want on your website. So I know that you came up for chiropractor Beverly Hills. Again, that searched 500 times a month. They're getting 77 of those clicks a month because they're ranked number 2. And if it's up to you, I don't know how broad you want to go, but chiropractor Los Angeles is searched 4.4 thousand times a month. So that's a huge amount. Now, granted, there's a ton of people in Los Angeles, so I get it, but you want to find buyer intent, brand, local keywords. Beverly Hills chiropractor, let's see. So that's why it's helpful to find your competitors. You can see what are they ranking for, so that when you put in that keyword, you have got when you put in your content, you've got those keywords as well. And I know you do a ton of things. I just searched chiropractor because it came up, but same thing. I searched neuropathy treatment, Beverly Hills, because I saw that you do that. And the top competitor that comes up is this BH migraine and pain. They have got 46 referring domains. So not a ton, but they're ranking for 1,000 keywords, bringing in 184 clicks to their site a month. So same thing. Let's see. Okay, if we want to rank for neuropathy treatment, which ones are working for them? Beverly Hills regenerative medicine. That's a good one. Migraine surgery. I don't know if you guys don't do surgery, but pain management. Beverly Hills. That searched 90 times a month. Those kind of things. So I hope that this video has been helpful. It's just giving you a little bit of insight on how you can really utilize your website, utilize your Google Business Profile so that you can rank on Google and start serving the people in your area who desperately need your help. We would love to help you with this, but if nothing else, we would love your feedback and to hear if this video was helpful for you. Have a great day.